My name is Isabelle. I'm from Matawan, New Jersey, and my major is visual arts and technology, and I'm doing a minor in information systems. My project was using a website called Replit to build an application that 3D prints an object based on a user's prompt using AI. An example would be me putting into the chat interface, make me a jar, and the AI would generate the model of a jar and then send it to a 3D printer. So it goes from user's prompt to a 3D print automatically.
Isabelle worked on constructing a set of software that would allow us to give instructions to a large language model, convert that into a 3D object AI model, and then communicate with a 3D printer to print the output of that process.
So this is what was 3D printed when I asked it to make a jar. I would say the next steps for this project, if someone were to pick up on it, would be to refine the 3D model generation, because I noticed from 3D printing with the AI that generates the model, which is called ChapE, it has very minor inconsistencies throughout the model, it has bumps. What makes this project important is the fact that the whole process is automated. 2 AIs are used to put this whole project together, Replit obviously being one of them, and then also the AI that generates the 3D model.
Summer research projects are different. They are more ill-defined. It is not as clear what skills are needed. And the students will have to become innovators and entrepreneurs of sorts during the process of engaging in summer research. And I think it's very important for students to develop the capabilities to engage with those more ill-structured challenges, because that is much more like the environment that they will encounter out in the workplace.
He wants me to be the manager of the AIs. He highly promoted AI. Which is great because it's developing more and more every day. Using AI and learning more about it from this project is definitely going to help me in my future classes or my future careers.